this video, I will show you how to use multiple effects on TikTok at once. Firstly, what is the most important on this session? It is by getting up on your application, then simplify getting up onto that create section or the button with plus icon on the third side. You need just to tap on it and simplify with this session. What you need to do next, simply, as you can see, if you go on effects, and from here you can find out many different sites in which including can be, I don't know, for example, we'll go with, of course, trending, because this is the most outrageous right now, and we'll go with, I don't know, maybe with this one. And from now, if we want to take over, as you can see now, it doesn't show nothing because it needs to turn on and switch the camera on the other side. Or if we go with this trending site, as you can see right now, we have that session to take up multiple effects on TikTok at once. You can record it, then you can stop it when you want, and then you can record it again and take over another session.